Have you got the hiccups again? Hey? Oops. Don't. Have you got the hiccups again? I think you got the hiccups again. Yeah. Huh? Do you like having hiccups? Huh? What can we do? Oh, should we get him some water? Well, how are we going to get rid of those hiccups?
Are you recording her?
Yeah.
Hi, chicken.